Hi there, students. The Antipodes. If I said somebody came from the Antipodes, what would that mean? Well, in British English, we use the Antipodes to mean from Australia and New Zealand. Now, the reason is the Antipodes, or Antipodean as an adjective, is the opposite side of the earth. So if you actually look, the opposite side of the earth to Britain is Australia and New Zealand. And that's why we have this phrase, the Antipodes. Okay, so the Antipodes are the opposite side of the earth. In fact, if you look at a map, there are some islands southeast of New Zealand called the Antipodes, and this is because they are in fact diametrically opposite Greenwich in London. And Greenwich is supposed to be, well, Greenwich Mean Time, the centre of the British universe at least. Okay, and that's why these are called the Antipodes. So the Antipodes is the place that is diametrically opposite, on the diametrically opposite side of the earth, and this is where the Antipodes are. Now, you could use this word Antipodean to mean opposite. So, for example, love and hate are Antipodean concepts. Okay, so we've got to be careful with formality here. So if you say he comes from the Antipodes, British people will understand that as Australia, and that I would give a 5 in formality. However, if you start to use this word Antipodean as the opposite, then this I would put up at a 7.5 in formality. So informally, the Antipodes, Australia and New Zealand. But if you're going to use it in some other way, something that is the exact opposite, something that is the antipode, yeah, then this is much more formal. So, as I said, love is the antipode of hate. Let's see. Peace is the antipode of war. Peace and war are Antipodean. Yeah, they are the opposite. The opposite of each other, and that's the idea. Okay, so Antipodean, the exact opposite. The Antipodes, 2 points that are diametrically opposite one another on the surface of the earth. Especially a country or a region that is opposite yours. And for Britain, the Antipodes, Australia and New Zealand. I think that also because there are a lot of connections between Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. Well, we even speak the same language, more or less. Yeah. So yeah, the Antipodean, or the Antipodes, the opposite side of the earth. And then two things that are Antipodean. They are the exact opposite of each other. They are antipodes. Notice the change in stress. So I guess black and white are Antipodes, yeah? They are Antipodean to each other. They are the exact opposite of each other. Okay, so as I said, the Antipodes as Australia and New Zealand, 5 in formality. But if we use an antipode or Antipodean, then this is something much more formal, and most people won't actually understand this second meaning. Okay, now we ought to look at some origin. Well, this comes from Latin and then from ancient Greek. Antipodes, anti, opposite, and podes, or from pous, meaning foot. Okay, so the opposite feet. So the feet are on the opposite side of each other, and that's the idea. Okay, so the Antipodes, Australia, New Zealand. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The Antipodes. Antipodean. Antipode.